latest visual. After an elephant salute and a welcome for the family, now atop the Amer Fort, and in the background, beautiful architectural design. The Rajput Rajasthan history all on display, and it's no surprise that Rajasthan has been the chosen destination, of course, because it's a international tourist destination, one of the prominent ones, but also remember it's the proximity to the national capital, Delhi. Barely about 3 to 4 hours drive, and of course it would be faster for the second family of the United States of America, but the chosen destination is also looking at the packed itinerary. Tomorrow they go to Agra to visit one of the 7 wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal. That's one opportunity that we've got to see them right atop the fort. Dev Ankur is right here at the fort. Dev, what is it looking like? The Dhol Nagada, the color culture, Rajasthan in all its glory, putting out the best of India for the second family, the Vice President of the USA.
Well, Pooja, on a lighter note, I can say that the visit of the American Vice President J.D. Vance with his family to Jaipur and the manner in which we have described it is likely to increase the tourist influx to Jaipur and to the state of Rajasthan. But I can tell you what is happening right now. This is the majestic Amer Fort right now, and you can see the exclusive visuals of a part of the entourage, the vehicles that are there, which are a part of the entourage of J.D. Vance, the American Vice President, which has arrived at the fort about half an hour from now. The Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister Diya Kumari was there. The Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajanlal Sharma, in fact, welcomed him when he arrived out here from Rambagh Palace, the luxurious Rambagh Palace where he was last night. And I can tell you that after his visit to the Amer Fort, where he will be spending about 2.5 hours, he will be visiting Diwan-e-Aam at the Amer Fort premises, which is built on 40 marble tombs. And apart from that, also the Govind Pole, which has several architectural marvels. And this structure itself, this magnificent historical monument which brings together the Rajputana and the Mughal culmination or the amalgamation of the architecture during that period, clearly reflects what Rajasthan, its forts, its palaces have been representing not for decades but for centuries and centuries. This is the place, Pooja, which was the capital when Jaipur had not even settled down, when there was no place called Jaipur. The Kushwaha Empire ran out of the Amer, which was the capital of the Kushwaha Empire, and the majesty is still there. It is still there to behold. The grandeur is still there.
So Devankur, what you're telling us, that Diya Kumari, the Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, with the Chief Minister, have been here to welcome them. To the viewer, in case you may not know, Diya Kumari, not just, of course, as a Deputy CM, she's also, so to say, from the erstwhile royal family of Rajasthan, has a connect to Man Singh. So in many ways, a direct history connection there. Devankur, till when are they likely to be at the fort? Because I hear there is also later an address that he will make with regard to India-US relationship.
Oh, absolutely. He is going to be here till around 11:30 a.m. And thereafter, given the itinerary that we have been told, he is likely to return to Rambagh Palace, the luxurious 7-star Rambagh Palace where he arrived last night. He will be having lunch over there. And Pooja, thereafter, he will be visiting the Rajasthan International Center, where he is likely to address business delegates, important representatives from different parts of the state. And later on the day, he is scheduled to meet the Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajanlal Sharma at his residence, and also to meet the Rajasthan governor. Later in the day, he will be, perhaps visiting Jantar Mantar and City Palace as well. Tomorrow, he will be visiting Agra, where he will be at the Taj Mahal premises.
Keep tracking the latest on that, Devankur. So these are the latest visuals. And to what Dev had said earlier, that basically Vance's entry may help boost Rajasthan's tourist footfall. I would disagree here, Dev. I think it is the popularity of Rajasthan that has brought in the Vance family to this chosen destination. And it's beautiful to see the culture at display. We'll be tracking that and more. These are the latest visuals. My colleague Devankur Vadhavan and Amit Bharadwaj are on the ground. They'll tell us not just about these informal interactions, remember, but the formal opportunity to be able to seal the trade agreement, to have India-US partnership become stronger, especially between the families, the individuals, and the nations.